past your street again, sunlight drifting on the pavement. I pretend I'm passing through, but I'm really looking for you. So I slow my steps a little more, every corner like before, and my heart begins to sing like a quiet silver ring. I don't need a perfect view, just a little time with you. Hey, wanna grab some coffee? Nothing big, just you and me. Two warm cups by the window light, watch the city drifting by. We can talk or just sit quietly, let the world run down the street. If you smile and say okay, you could make my whole day. I rehearse the words to say in the mirror every day, but they disappear somehow when you're standing here right now. Maybe sugar, maybe cream, maybe laugh at little things. Maybe time will slowly show what a simple hello could grow. It's a small and easy thing, just a cup and quiet spring. Hey, wanna grab some coffee? Nothing big, just you and me. Two warm cups by the window light, where our quiet heartbeats meet. We could stay till skies turn gold, share the stories never told. If you smile and say okay, you might steal my heart that day. Maybe nothing, maybe fate, maybe just a simple day. But if you say yes, I know it's true. The sweetest thing won't be the brew. Hey, wanna grab some coffee? Stay an hour, maybe 3. No big plans, no perfect scene, just this calm in between. And if someday we look back and say where it all began that day, maybe it was soft and slow, coffee and hello.